Tuchokere aja kathatuna kama Meru ndene ya Mutindo Njoka Ngangi ni aria murungamiri wa Ritingugi ndene ya bisi ya gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Dagitari Julius Mbijewe muthenya jana Arua na ombere kwethirwa agika mucemanio na bamwe ba Ritingugi ndene ya bisi ya gavana kire mucemana juju atongere baba ne bethera bakiaria manto kathumba jareo mitaratara na njira ira cikethwa cigitumirika nikenda Ritingugi ndene ya bisi ya gavana bukethirwa bugitana mbere uria gukubatara Jeff wagituma na ithirwe gikinya nterezi na gutubangania ripoti una njira entarero
Tujenge pamoja
Meru
building together
Meru
twake tuyamwe.
Nawe Daktari Julius Mbijewe murungamiri wa Ritingugi obisine ya gavana muthenya jana Arua na thithite mucemanio na barabekaga utheru obisine cia gavana wa Meru Mutumanto Ithinkia nikenda bakariria mathina bethirite bagikurukira gwakagita nande na ore bakethira bagitaniria ngugi betite bwa mbere
na challenges because bioro bimwe birali blocked tromba gutumirika maybe some lighting here and there lakini nchokinkadho sana kenda director and the entire team nonto ko move with the speed na ensure kwina lighting ensure kwina good cleaning in our toilets and these other areas na valititengo gina limo kwina difficult circumstances kwa raidia mantoja mbakwitha bena protective gears cia ko batetheria kwenshu nyabo batie endangered batena changamoto uromba kulitangina bacoka gutuka bakwajwa nonto bwa kwithira batena intobibia ko baligeria ko gwata rukoruria so kwa niaba yanga bantu ndobera pongezi na bendere na moyo juu na nkuruki twaire ko motivate the best we can wenshu na babe comfortable kugene chiao
Nkuruki Daktari Mbijewe na kuromba kwithire kwina urumwe na ngwataniro gatigati kabara bakwika utheru obisine cionthe cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru o amwe na atongeria bao
then also mbere nabo nyabo Ritingugi betu then across the county that they co-work with this staff also non orenywa kwenda kwa comfortable no nya uju kwenda kwithari comfortable kenda ningi twina cohesion tumba kwitha tukijanga Meru pamoja na including inya offices zile ingi tunachio outside the headquarters ke sub county sub counties chetu when you bange benara ule nyabo ensure that the place is clean and as a county that is the face very very important to ensure we start on well area challenges in some of our towns kumagokura na mko blocked drainage systems can blocked na inge watu ka chinu kalite kuruki is a big challenge but our team is working hard when you back unblocked na narea kuna challenges ya kwenda replacement ikadhidwa
kiribara nabo bakurekeria siwenji gatonya kiremuro ntuko ciao nande ni intare
kurokeria sewerage eka flow through the towns eka flow rojine rukoruru rudaro ninya heavy metals na find their way back into our bodies. It is another hazard na tutirekeria mantu yu na ndiwe mbere tuja kuwata mbere uja kwa prosecuted tafadhali can you kinyagwa mind about maisha yaku maisha jana baku na maisha ya tori baku so itoe wa message toa information na ara ukona rojiru nikanite report to the nearest public health officer na batu to can force na mtu kethira ati kwenda gutii sheria tukamugwata na prosecuted according to the law nonto antojabau they are an enemy to themselves and even to the community.
Nkiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff.